Hello everyone, it's IT Chill here. Today, I will like to talk about digital signature authentication. There are numerous passwordless authentication such as PIN you receive during making transaction in online banking or fingerprint. I will not dive into how PIN works or how fingerprint can be used to authenticate towards the system or program. However, I will talk about digital signature as a possible passwordless authentication. Digital signature with challenge and response is an authentication mechanism which was very rarely mentioned in college or high school or university. To explain how it works, one must first understand how digital signature and PKCS works. User will first generate digital signature public and private key, but only submit his or her own public key during sign up or registration. The server now has the user's public key and it's stored inside its storage. When the user wants to log in, the server will generate a random publicly disclosable data which was called as challenge and send it to the user via internet. The user takes the challenge, then signs the challenge with his or her own private key. He or she now have the challenge signature. The user sends the signature of the challenge towards the server via the internet. The server takes the signature and performs signature verification by using the user's public key with the challenge it generated and stored. If the verification succeeds, the server lets the user log in, else deny their access. I will go through some slides. If you want, you can pause and read them. As the server or service provider side stores only public key, the server does not need to fear data breaches or leakages to an extent. Performance is fast compared to password or fingerprint-based authentication. The digital signature public keys submitted by user may have both issues of integrity and availability in CIA. There are public and private key issues. To solve digital signature authentication, integrity, and availability issues, we usually need to use either blockchain, smart contract, or request for credentials like user's email or phone number. This introduces privacy and security risks, and it makes the server more vulnerable to data leakages or breaches as it has valuable data stored in it. It is also a difficult task to let users get used to this new form of authentication within a particular system. Personally, I believe that users or companies would like to have passwordless authentication. Implementing digital signature authentication as a passwordless authentication may be problematic and introduces a lot of problems. If you think it is worth to add passwordless authentication, to let me know via my ProtonMail email address shown in the screen. That's all for today. Thank you very much.